The forest is full of surprises. Sometimes they can be very scary. Hello, everybody! It's me, Kylie, and today I'll show you all the most beautiful parts of this forest. Judging from the outfit she picked for her forest walk, she doesn't have much camping experience. But Kylie does know a lot about photo shoots. It's nice to pose with flowers in the woods. But it looks like she got lost. And here's another forest visitor, Penny. How did she get in here? She probably came straight from the office. Doesn't matter, the result is the same. She got lost, and unfortunately, she doesn't have any signal. Ah! Well, this guy probably won't get into a situation like that. Alex loves the woods, and he's ready to explore the forest endlessly. But it turns out, a love of nature doesn't guarantee that you'll be able to navigate the forest. And finally, our fourth star is Jane. She looks like an experienced hiker. She is fully equipped, but looks like something really scared her. What an unexpected meeting! All these people are so different. Wow, what a coincidence! That's fate! A meeting in the forest clearing. Jane's doing a review of her new friend's outfits. Heels are not the best shoe choice for the woods. But Penny's really creative. Sanitary pads? How will they help us? Turns out they can be used to make soft slippers. Just like that. Glue the pads together for each foot. And now you have comfortable walking shoes. Penny and Kylie are saved. That's so smart. It's time to take shelter. Looks like Alex is going to be the one to put up the tent. Oh, are you sure about this? So far, it's not going well. But under the girls' guidance, the tent gets set up. The final touch is the rain cover. It's done! Well, welcome home! While Jane's doing some home improvement, the rest of the girls are getting to know the locals. Mosquitoes! This is terrible! So many bites! A mosquito net will save us. Take a piece of mesh fabric and plastic ties. Fasten them to the mesh like this. Using pliers, cut wire into pieces and build a small frame over the mat. Here we go! Cover the structure with the net. And to make the mosquito shelter cozier, let's add a soft pillow and a magazine. Now the forest vampires can't get to you. Penny looks so happy. Too bad there's not enough room for everyone. We are going to have to hide one at a time. Another problem is the heat and the thirst. To keep thirst from taking you by surprise, remember this unusual life hack. Take a regular baby diaper, soak it in water, and wrap it around a soda can. And now, put it in the freezer. The cooling case for the can is ready. And it works! The drink is the temperature. So nice! Alex is a real hunter, or rather, a gatherer. Finding quail eggs takes a lot of luck. Woohoo! Quick, bring them to your friends. What a great find! Although, how do you cook eggs in the woods? Oh, a tin can! It'll make a portable cooking stove. Now you need to get the awl and make holes in the bottom. Put rocks on the ground and build a little fire on them. Put the can on the fire. And now, Let's get the food! Cut a burger bun. Take out the inside. Put pieces of sausage in the hollow. Break an egg. Add some cheese, too, if you have any. Cover the other half of the bun. Wrap it in foil. And put it on your stove. Now you just need to wait. While the forest burgers cook. Mmm, delicious! It's not so hard in the woods if you know how to make things. Going for walks in the wild can be tiring, especially for people who are new to it. Kylie's a good example. Looks like she can't keep going. Well, there's a life hack for that. Take 2 pairs of jeans and a rope. Put the pants together like this. Cut holes and connect the jeans with cable ties. And now take the ropes and put them through the pants. A hammock is ready. Tie it to the tree trunks. Oh, Penny! She climbed in first again. But it's so nice to swing in a hammock. What a great idea! But still, don't forget that you are not alone in the woods. Here's Alex taking a carefree walk. Suddenly, he's face to face with an ant! Ah! Help! Alex, come on! It's just a little ant! It was hot and sunny. Now there are clouds. Drip, drop. It's starting to rain, and Kylie doesn't seem to notice anything at all. She's too busy doing her nails. But Jane is worried about more pressing issues, making sure the matches don't get wet. And that's where Kylie's polish comes in handy. Just put it on the match heads. Now they are protected from getting wet. It's a nice life hack. You don't need to take care of your appearance in the forest. But these sweat stains, they're stinky. I need to take a shower. But how? Nothing is impossible. Let's take a plastic bag full of water and hang it from a tree. You can use a bed cover as a shower curtain. Make a few holes in the bag. And you got a real shower! Ah, that's good! And it was so easy! Alex is finally fresh and clean! Even when you are away from civilization, you need gadgets! We want entertainment! Can we watch a movie? Oh, just don't fight! There are too many people wanting to be closer to the screen! It's okay, let's make an open-air movie theater. Take a cardboard box and a magnifying glass. Take out the lens. And now, take a box cutter. Cut a hole in the box to match the size of the lens. Insert the lens.
Wow!
Now, place the phone in the box. The projector's ready. All you need to do is wait until dark. Now it's night. Go into the tent. Take a flashlight and set up the projector. It's a movie theater in the woods. Isn't it awesome? Walking in the woods with your phone can be dangerous for your gadget. Oops, it fell in the mud. Maybe this will help protect it from external influences? Oh, that's so rude! How dare you! Looks like Kylie misunderstood. I mean, Alex is just suggesting that she use this as a protective cover for her phone. It's a perfect fit! Now the phone is not afraid of rain, snow, or even hail. It's safe! Did you like our forest story? As you can see, if you know just a few basic tips, getting lost in the forest might not be that scary. Which one of these life hacks did you like the most? Tell us in the comments. And don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and click on the bell so you don't miss more interesting ideas on Troom Select.